wholesale fish market and the retail market. This will be a permanent presence. This has been the demand of people who are getting the fish into Goa. आमचे नुस्तें सारखे आहा तुमी तुमचे presence दाखया. So we'll have a permanent presence in the wholesale fish market and in the retail market also. So कोणाकूय जर कितें doubt आयलो जाल्यार immediately they can get it done. Secondly, FDA चे South Goa office जे जावपाक जाय ते December महिन्यात आमी करतात. This is an office, you are not going to check fish in the office, but you will have a presence within 1 month. Not even 1 month. दसऱ्याच्या दिसा करूया आमी. आणि हे जे ट्रेडर आहा, जे ट्रेडरांक एक एक्युजेशन जाता, we are going soft on them. These traders don't comply with what Vishwajit has spelled out. Then दसऱ्याच्या दिसा आमी तांकां तांचे करतात, something will sacrifice the traders on दसरो. कळलो आनी? Minister of Rocky.
Minister of लोकांचो.
So नुस्तें आमकां is important to us. We are not going to make the people's confidence in fish go below, and we are not going to make them lose faith in fish. We are willing to clamp down on any trader if any fish is found laced with any substance. We will not only jail the trader, we will destroy the entire consignment immediately. But before that, a system has to be in place by which if you want to get your fish checked, then you should have the wherewithal to get it checked. And beyond a reasonable time, be convinced that what you are buying is completely safe.
तुमच्या एक नजरे काढून दिता की सेक्रेटरीयेन आमची ते मिस्टर सरदेसाईक आमी ब्रीफ करताले की 4 ऑगस्टाक एक सर्क्युलर आयली आणि आयज आमी जे मातशें आश्चर्य जाता केन्ना केन्ना खुबशे गोश्टी येता पूण कोणी ते सर्क्युलर सारकें वाचला काय आमकां खबर ना. आयज मिस्टर सरदेसाई कडेन चर्चा करून आमी ठरयलां की हे फुडल्या 10-12 दिसांक 15 दिसाचो टायम पयलीं दिल्लो 2 ऑगस्टाक टू 2 ऑगस्ट 2018 हो सर्क्युलर सायन केलो मुख्यमंत्रीचे सिग्नेचर घेवन. ह्या सर्क्युलरान 2-3 गोश्टी आहा. एंट्री पॉयंट 2च आसतल्यो गोंया राज्यांत, ते म्हणजे पोले आनी भद्रादेवी. ते आमी स्ट्रिक्टली इम्प्लिमेंट करतले. एफडीएची टीम डेप्यूट करतले, ते सगळे बरयल्ले आसा. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट एक सांगूंक सोदता, पॉयंट 2, 3 आनी 4. Fish traders from Goa dealing with import of fish from outside Goa to ensure that they obtain license registration under Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 from the FDA within 15 days from the date of issue of the circular. The fish trader operating outside the state of Goa who involved in transportation of fish to the state of Goa shall obtain license registration from concerned state FDA or in absence of which FDA Goa, and fish should be transported only through insulated vehicles. After the end of the 15 days period, vehicles brought in the trader without license registration under Food Safety Standards Act will not be allowed into state of Goa. आता हे सगळ्या गोष्टी कंप्लाय करपाक म्हणून आमकां तेंचे असोसिएशनान 15 दीस मागले. 15 दीस जावन गेले. आता आमी कितें ठरयलां, श्री सरदेसाईन सांगला की आमकां स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स घेवंक जाय म्हणून आमी आतां ठरयलां की सेक्रेटरीयेत ती मिटींग जातकूच सेक्रेटरीयेताक घेवन आमी मिटींग करता. आनी आमी पयलीं आमी फायलीर हांवें बरयल्ले नोट धाडलेलो की 15 ऑक्टोबर एक कट ऑफ पॉयंट. आयज आमी हा 8 म्हणजे 15 ते 20 ऑक्टोबराचे कट ऑफ पॉयंट असले. जे कोणाकडे ह्या तरेचे रजिस्ट्रेशन आपले ते ट्रक गोंया राज्यात आमी अलाव करचे ना. एक पयली स्टेप जालो. दुसरी स्टेप जालें की फुडल्या विदीन 24 to 48 आमी आमचो जो सर्च हा थ्रू युजींग द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट एजन्सी, युजींग टेकिंग देअर हेल्प, हे जे एजन्सीज देशा भायर जे टेस्टिंग करता जे हाय स्टँडर्ड आसता, जेंचे एक्सपिरियन्स खूब आहा, ह्या तरेची एजन्सी गोंया राज्यात बाय नॉमिनेशन आमकां आयडेंटिफाय करून आमकां फुडल्या वर्सभरात आमी तेजो उपयोग करतले. गोंया राज्यांतले लोकांचो विश्वास जो आहा तो आनी वाडचो म्हणून ह्या दिशेन आमी काम.
This is a fair point, that due to present disruption there is a stop trading and we need to have a special mechanism. Otherwise the smoothness of the trade was मछली आ रही है, उसमें आ रही है, बिक के वापस जा रही है. And that's the way economics also works. By the way, demurrage of a truck and that too a insulated truck is very high. The cost goes according. So this is a temporary disruption because of the supply not being. So I think we can put the same mechanism and giving off the handling that. When we had the Kurbani ka time tha, when the trucks were to come in, we stamped them, we dated them, and we said जाके आप वापस लेके आएंगे. So to deal with the temporary disruption, I request I'll take a quick meeting with Anand. What we put at that time, so we need to build up a stock, but we have ensured, and we also gave them how it will come. It will comes hanging so that the cold chain is not disturbed in terms of volume. So we'll put that additional loop in place to give the temporary disruption and just ensure that this is a different point of the weather.